Howdy folks, back again today with a shout out mail call video for Rick G Profit Coins on YouTube. He hasn't been doing a lot of stuff. He's been busy with his work and he moved and he's done a few videos. He hasn't done any live streams for a while since I think probably the giveaway that's in this package right here. Got 4 packages here. They're about 6 months old or older. We're gonna try and get them all opened up. This giveaway package I won, I don't know, is it 2nd or 3rd place in it. Actually, people put together the giveaway. We sent in stuff to give away, and he had a cigar box full of silver that he ended up breaking up, I think, into 3 different spots. But anyway, we'll get a couple of these opened up and we'll see what we got. I can't remember, it's been so long. Okay, got the first 2 packages laid out here. Looks like, of course, these are all from donations to the $50 hunt. I believe must have had 7 tiers because I got $7 coins there. But we'll go through these pretty quick. Got a couple 1965s. We got 12 1967 40%ers. We got 9 1968 Denvers and 3 1969 Denvers. Couple Proofs that we must have found. Got a 1980 San Francisco and a 2006 San Francisco. Of course, both are clad. And then we got one polished clad bicentennial there. That it's most definitely polished and clean, so we're gonna drop that in the return bin. 90%ers got a couple 1964 Phillies there. Couple of Benjis. We got a 54 Philly and a 58 Denver. Looks like we got 3 Roosevelt dimes here. We got a 54 Philly, 64 Philly, and a 64 Denver. Walkers, 90%. Got a 36 Philly, couple 42 Phillies. Got a 43 Philly and a 43 San Francisco. Got some Washington quarters, 90%. Got a 1950 Denver. Couple 1964 Phillies last year. And it looks like a clean 64 Denver. Been polished, pretty scratched up. You look under the scope. Got one Standing Liberty quarter here. It's a 1927. You can see the date. Of course, the 27D and S are a little better dates, but the mint mark area is so worn. It's probably a Philly, but it's not a for sure anyway about it. Mercs. Got a early date 1918 Denver. Got a 35 Philly, 36 Philly, a 42 Denver. Got 3 1943 Phillies, a 44 Philly, and a 44 Denver. Got some Peace and Morgan dollars. Peace dollar, we got a 22 Denver, and we got a couple 1923 Phillies. Again, those were part of a tier donation, $50 hunt. Morgans, got an 87 New Orleans, got a 1900 New Orleans, and 2 1921 Phillies. And then part of his $50 hunts, he had bag pulls, and then he did like a end of stream giveaway to the donators. I think these were an end of stream donation before he kind of changed the way he done that, but got a couple 2011 San Francisco Silver Proofs quarters. It's the Vicksburg and the Glacier National Park. And then he also had bag pulls before you did your donations, and if you had a colored coin, special colored coin that was found in there, you'd win a extra prize. And I hit the double barber dime. Got an 1898 San Francisco and an 1897 Philly barber dimes. Anyway, that's the first two packages. We may do one or two here for the second bunch, but we'll see. I know that third package has got quite a bit of stuff in it, or the last package, so we'll see how it goes. We'll be back in just a little bit. We'll get these set aside, and we'll get the next package or two opened up. Okay, I've got package number 3 laid out here. I figured I'd just do this one individually before I got into the gift away package. Again, looks like a $50 hunt and donation. 40%ers. Got 4 1967s, 4 1968 Denvers, and 3 1969 Denvers. And I believe this was again part of the Mark Coin bag pull. Got a 69 San Francisco proof, 40%er here that I'm pretty sure was from that Mark Coin. Then we got a bunch of clad proofs. So this, I sort of remember that we did hit a box that had a bunch of clad proofs in it. And we got a 74 San Francisco, 78S, and 1980S, and 81S, 82S, 86 San Francisco. Got 2 1987 San Franciscos, 2 1990 San Franciscos, 92S, 93S, and a 2000 San Francisco. Again, all those were clad, all those in those rows. Do have one 1944 Denver Walker, and you probably can see it's pretty shiny. I actually think that thing is plated. Why they would have done that, it's either highly polished or plated, and I think it's maybe plated, so who knows why. Got a early date 1935 Washington quarter. Mint mark area is pretty worn. I think it is a Philadelphia. And then we got some Merc dimes here. Early date, second year, 1917. And I again believe it's a Philadelphia. It's pretty worn in the mint mark area, but I can't see anything that would make me think it was anything else. 29 Philly, 35 Philly, 41 Philly, 42 Philly, and 43 Philly. 90% Merc dimes. Then last but not least, it looks like I donated for 3 tiers in this hunt, and maybe it's over one, or I would guess is one day. But we got a 22 San Francisco piece dollar, 23 Philly, and a 26 Denver. Anyway, we'll get these set off the side, then we'll get into that gift away prize box, see what we got. Okay, got the contents of the last package laid out here. Again, these were from the gift away, in which for every 90% quarter worth of silver, and you could put in half dollars, quarters, dimes, dollar coins, 99.9% silver rounds, war nickels, 35%ers, 40% half dollars. But the silver value of a 90% quarter would get you one entry into the gift away. I think I put in about $10 to $12, I think, worth of 90% face value into the gift away, and I received $14.50 back as the runner-up to the cigar box gift away. And I did have one more silver round that was actually one that I donated in my bunch that I got, and I actually gave that back away. But here's what we got from it. Got a couple 64 Philly Kennedys, 90%ers, 64 Denver. Got a 1919 Denver. Date's a little hard to see, but I'm pretty certain it's a 1919 Denver. That might have been one I was missing in my Walker book. I've got one ordered, or is actually here, but anyway. Got a 34 San Francisco, 37 Philly, 37 Denver, 42 Philly, 43 Philly, and a 46 Philly. And we got some barber quarters, or barber halves, sorry. I had an 1895 Philly barber half, 1899 Philly, and a 1912 San Francisco. Had a couple dateless Standing Liberty quarters. They are the Variety 2 1917 on, but they're dateless. One appears to be Philadelphia, and the other is a San Francisco. Nothing fancy there. Washington quarters. Got a 36 Philly, 41 Philly, 43 Philly, 52 Philly. I think I might have missed one here. But anyway, got two 57s. Denver's 58 Denver, 59 Denver, 64 Philly, and 6 1964s. And those are Denver's. Rosie Dimes got a 1948 San Francisco, 56 Philly, a 1960 Denver, 62 Denver, and a 64 Philadelphia. Of course, those are 90% silver. Couple piece dollars. 1923 San Francisco that's got a pretty big hole in it. And a 35 San Francisco. That, I might not have that date, which that's kind of cool. Got one Morgan, pretty slick, 1884 Philadelphia. And we had 1 ounce of silver from Canada. It's a 2011 Polar Bear. But anyway, this was my runner-up prize. I didn't win the cigar box, but I got the runner-up prize, which that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's all we got from Rick G. Profit Coins. I'll put his link to his page down below, and I'll put a picture up again of his YouTube site right now. Check him out on YouTube. He's not doing any live streams right now, but he has been doing a few videos of half-dollar hunts and some auction sell items that he's had up here in the last month or two. Like I say, he stays pretty busy and maybe hasn't been doing as much YouTube stuff, but check him out and subscribe. I've enjoyed being a part of his live streams. Hope he gets to doing them again. If you don't, that's fine too. I understand life happens. So anyway, hope you'll come back, check out my other videos. Always getting more silver. And yeah, we'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.